What's the meaning of center half? Center half. Center half.
Center half. Center half. Center half is a term used in football, soccer, to describe a defensive position on the field. The center half is typically positioned between the goalkeeper and the other defenders, and their main responsibility is to prevent the opposing team from scoring goals. They play an important role in organizing the defense and clearing the ball out of danger. Center halves are often physically strong and good at aerial challenges. Overall, the center half is a key player in any successful football team's defense.